Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturers who make great quality products. Let's talk about lean manufacturing. Now, lean is all about identifying and eliminating waste in every form from your processes. So this could include excess inventory, overproduction, waiting times, transport and defects in your products. And by streamlining your processes and removing any non-value added activities, you can significantly enhance your production efficiency. But a big part of lean manufacturing is embracing a culture of continuous improvement. So to achieve that, start by encouraging everyone in your organization to suggest and implement improvements. Then you can review and optimize your processes to make sure you're maintaining high efficiency and can easily adapt to changing conditions. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article on our blog. There you'll find more insights and valuable content to fuel your digital transformation journey. Take care.